Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I did want to get into GameStop a little bit and what I think is going to happen sometime this week. Just to be pretty straightforward, I think that my target for this week is going to be anywhere around 188 to 200. Because we did close above that 150 level, the chances of us gamma squeezing is extremely high. Um, that can happen by latest, I think Wednesday morning, which is T2, and when the shorts have to actually cover the options that expired at 150 or above. Um, Also, the second instance, I actually think there's an even bigger chance, or there's an even higher chance of us running even harder next week if we actually close anywhere above 160 this week, which is pretty insane to think about. And also, I think um, the major prices right now are 160 to 200. If we can manage to close at 200 or higher on Friday, I think we see another jump, and I think that jump would probably take us to like 290, which is a gap that actually got created somewhere around, I don't know, like back here somewhere. There's like a gap that got created right there. I mean, you can see it in the chart. Really see in here, obviously. Pre-market, we're trading at 155.65, which is really good. It's been holding it's been holding this level steady really, really, really well. And GameStop tends to move extremely hard in the mornings, so I do expect something to happen with GameStop today, possibly at open. But usually the moves on GameStop happen, I don't know, like around 7:30 ish, 7:30 to 10 o'clock. That's when the major moves on GameStop happen. When it usually hits its peak highs for the day, right? Um, so by 7:30, 10 o'clock today, we actually see some movement to the upside, and let's say we do touch 180 or 200. I'm looking at selling my GME 265 and 200s immediately because they expire this week, right? So I want to get as much money as possible and potentially roll them over for next week. But yeah, as of right now, GameStop, that's what I expect. I expect this week, hopefully, to hit. My target would be somewhere between 188 to 200. And then if we close 200 this Friday, I think there's a possibility to go even higher. Because there's a lot of options that would expire in the money if we do end up closing at the round at that 200 strike, which would be pretty insane all over again. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.